Hi, we will cover payment integration and rebilling your clients inside VoiceAIWrapper. Before you watch this video, I strongly recommend you watch the earlier videos. Most of the stuff that I'm going to show you here will make sense only if you know how to set up the rest of the items when you start putting your VoiceAIWrapper white label together. So with payment integration, the first step that you do is connect your Stripe keys. Now this allows us to write into your Stripe account, which means whatever product you create here gets created automatically inside Stripe. Remember, the Stripe integration does not allow edit or deletion using APIs. So while you can create products, you can archive them, you cannot edit the products created with this integration. That's how Stripe works in general. You cannot edit the products afterwards, and if you edit anything inside Stripe, it's going to break the sync, right? So if you created a product by mistake, you can go ahead and archive it, and don't change anything here once it's created. If you don't want to use it, just archive it. So what are products? So VoiceAIWrapper allows you to create client portals, and inside these client portals, you can onboard your clients, and these clients can also be assigned a billing plan to pay for. So to show you an example, this is my client portal that I've just created for the demo, and then my client can go into their billing portal, and they can manage their subscription. So this is what we call product, which you can create inside VoiceAIWrapper, and you can have your client pay you on your white label portal. So if I head over to products, there are multiple product types to choose from, and these run off Stripe, so they work based on the metered billing that Stripe offers. This is self-explanatory: product name and description. We support multiple currencies. If you see one, if you have a currency that we don't currently support, just let us know. We'll add it right away. Under pricing model, you can bill based on usage minutes, or you can charge clients based on subscription plus overage, or you can charge them a subscription plus usage pack. Make sure you read this text just below the plan type. So for example, subscription plus overage is always charged at the end of the billing period. If you want to charge somebody upfront, use the subscription plus usage pack option. This is something that will charge your client upfront, right? We will add more plan types here, but at the time of making this video, these are the pricing options that exist inside our product. So I'll just show you an example with subscription and overage. Let's say I select the billing frequency monthly, and then I can go ahead and set up a subscription fee price of $99, and maybe I'm just including 9 minutes. And let's say beyond those 9 minutes of usage, let's say 11 labs or maybe a VAPI is charging you 10 cents per minute, and you want to mark it up by 20 cents, you can just set up the markup price here. And this is going to ensure that your client is being billed at that rate for their usage, right? Similarly, when you create usage packs are voice packs that your clients can top up, right? So when they go to their billing portal and they need a few more minutes, they can buy usage packs from inside their client portal. Usage packs can be created here. It's pretty straightforward. All you need to do is define the number of minutes and the pricing. And when you set up a client account, after you've created your products, all the products and the usage packs will be available in your product catalog, right? And you can just go in here and assign the plan or the usage pack that you want to assign to a specific client. So you'll see an assign to client button here. Click on it. This means it becomes available for the client to buy. And if you remove it, it's no longer available for the client to buy. Right? And since this is a Stripe integration, so you have options such as canceling a client subscription from the admin console. Your client also has the option to manage a subscription themselves using the customer portal. You can also, as an admin, cancel the subscription, or you can cancel it immediately inside your portal. So this is how payment integration works inside VoiceAIWrapper.